Today we are in Tangier port and we want to come and try some different fish and seafood. So this is the entrance for the port. We'll just have a walk inside now. As you can see, it's getting close to sunset, about an hour or so, and it is getting a little bit busy now. As we go inside, you'll see how busy it actually is. So here you can see there are several restaurants. All serving seafood.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
تفضل على مرحبا بك.
اسمع.
والله فاطمة شي حاجة مزيانة.
Inshallah. So they got all different things. There's a lot of a hassle.
السلام عليكم.
But these are all the fishing boats on the port. And everyone's just trying to get you to eat at the restaurant. There is a lot of harassment that is going on here, and there are people who don't really want me to record as well, so I'll try to keep the camera as minimal as possible. So this is the menu. It's all in French, and it is all seafood based, and there are some vegetarian options as well. So this is the place we've decided, which is restaurant Remontada, and there is a menu on the side, so there is a transparency on the pricing, and there's a lot of outdoor seating area as well where you can have a sit down. So let's just take a quick walk inside so you can see some of the fish which is on offer. So this is the seafood, which you can see is all laid up on some ice, all fresh, as it was all caught today. They got different types of salads and rice and veg as well. And there they cook it all in the background. Chefs are right there. So yeah, we've ordered a platter for 4. So we'll see what comes on it. So this is the platter for 4. As you can see, there's all different types of seafood. There's different types of fish. There's prawns, calamar, eel. I don't know if there's anything else that I've missed up. Good food. It was a good, delightful meal for 4. The platter for 4 was more than sufficient for more than 4 people. And it was truly worth the money that they asked for. You get a good variety of fish, and I do recommend the place, so do check it out if you're in Tanger.